about my journey, like how I started architecture and how I joined architecture. So, choosing career is not a straight road, and in my journey, even I had many phases of choosing career. When I was in 10th, I was like, I am more interested in BPC, medical stream, in which psychology. I thought I really like reading people, like what do they think and all stuff. But then after a time, I thought there are few other streams also which I am more interested maybe. So in a normal family kind of discussion, we got a topic of agriculture. Like then I thought, why can't I like do agriculture? But then after a few days, I was like, this is not the thing I'll be able to do. Then after my 10th, I was in inter. So when I was in inter, even then I was choosing my career. I didn't think that this is the thing I'll be doing it. So when I was exploring, I was into few games of interior design. Like I used to play a few games of giving a interior layout or else like fixing a color palette and etc. So by then there was a strike in my mind, maybe this is what I need to do. So this is kind of direction that I need to choose the path. So I have decided of interior design at start. So after deciding that I'm interested in interior design, I did discuss this with my parents, and then I had few discussions with my cousins who were already doing their jobs in some other field. So they suggested me like interior design is a individual thing that you will be only doing interiors in it, and there is one more thing, architecture, where you will get to know different streams. It's not like you're just bounded by a single thing. It has multiple streams that you can do. You can do interior with planning, and there are a few other streams also that we can do. So I felt it's good, like being studying one thing and doing multiple things is different. So when I got to know about architecture, I did research about architecture in India and abroad. So I got to know like in India it is a 5 years course and in abroad it's 3 years. Initially I was interested in London, and then when I decided I'll be doing bachelor's in architecture in abroad, so I was preparing for IELTS, which is a entrance test which we need to give for our English proficiency. And then while I was preparing for IELTS, I even had discussions with my father's friends who were in London. And then I got a suggestion that going for bachelor's to abroad is not that useful as you go for masters. So then like they even told me, when we go for masters we will be able to work as interns or as part-time. So it's like studying and earning. So I thought, okay fine, let's continue our bachelor's in India. That's the time when I researched about architecture in India. Then I got to know about NATA, which is the entrance test for architecture. By the time I got to know about the exam, the NATA has 3 attempts in a year, and by the time I got to know, the 2 attempts were already finished. So all I have was a single shot, which is the 3rd attempt. Then I registered for NATA, which is the last 3rd attempt, and then I started my preparation. I had 1.5 months to prepare because there were no institutes for this architecture at my surroundings. I did an online course for NATA preparation. I did continue it for 1 month, and then I had my own preparation. And the day I went, I gave my NATA exam, and the result was like I did qualify that, and that's when I started searching for universities. Then I listed universities in India. Like I searched in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Vijayawada. In south I did search, but then in north I did search this LPU, which is in Punjab. And then I still remember my mom's reaction, which was like, no to LPU, and there was a crossover to LPU at the first step. Then, even though I gave LPU Nest, which is a scholarship test to get admission over here, after giving it, I did get the highest scholarship. Then I did research about LPU in regards to architecture. I got to know that LPU was in top 15 all over India in regard to architecture. So I thought it's good to going to that university. Then I spoke with my parents about the university, about the curriculum, and about the fee structure. And it was reasonable comparatively to other universities. And we did decide that yeah, I'll be going to LP. So looking back, I realized even small decisions or else discussions or else playing that interior games played a role in leading me here. So even if you're figuring out your career, keep exploring because we never know what might inspire you. So this was all about my story. I hope you liked it. And if you like it, please like, share and subscribe for more amazing content regarding architecture and also fun. Thank you.